Welcome to Louisville Water Tower Park in our new series, Louisville WaterWorks. Each time we meet, we'll share a short video lesson, and then you'll get a chance to do an at-home challenge. As we've discussed in our videos, there are lots of ways that we use water every day, including drinking, taking a bath, cooking, lots of different things. But today we're going to learn about one really special way that we use water, and that's to stay healthy and hydrated. So how do we find out about what's in our food and drinks that we have every day? Well, there's something called a nutrition label, and you can find that on any type of package for food or drink that you use. For instance, if I want to find out how much of whatever is in my milk I had this morning, I would look at a nutrition label that looks like this. I can find out about how many calories are in it, maybe how much fat and cholesterol is in it. But today we're going to focus on one really important ingredient that's in most things we eat and drink, and that is sugar. Why do we care about sugar? Well, it's not the most healthy thing in the world for us. It can cause lots of different problems, like weight gain. It also contributes to heart disease and diabetes, and it's really bad for your teeth. So how much sugar should you have every day? The American Heart Association says that children should only have about 25 grams or less of sugar every day. What's a gram? It's a measurement. Using this cool calculation, every 4 grams is 1 teaspoon. So when we look back at our label, I can check and see how much of sugar was in my milk I had this morning. If I look down the list, I'll see that there are 11 grams of sugar in 1 serving of milk. So 11 grams divided by 4 equals 2.75 teaspoons of sugar in my milk. This is what 2.75 teaspoons of sugar looks like. Now, using our calculation, we can figure out how much sugar is in anything we eat or drink. A lot of the sugar that we consume every day comes from the drinks. And when you use Louisville Pure Tap, there's no sugar in there, so it's a great choice anytime. It's also really good to help brush your teeth with water. So when you see a mouth that looks like this, and it's had too much sugar and lots of cavities, using water to rinse your mouth is a really great way to help get rid of a lot of that sugar. And now, your challenge.
Your challenge for today is to calculate how much sugar you consume in one day. Look around your kitchen. Some things you may find are breakfast cereals or cookies, maybe some fruit snacks, juice boxes, soda, even your own tap water. And then be sure to use your equation. 4 grams equals 1 teaspoon to find out how much sugar you actually consume in one day. And don't forget, there is no sugar in your Louisville Pure Tap.